good morning, Fly Babies. Today is Monday, and so for my at-home Fly Babies and payroll Fly Babies, we're going to travel together today for a little bit. First thing we're going to do is get up this morning and do our morning routines. After that, our children's routines, and then after that, our payroll Fly Babies are going to get in their cars and go to work, or however you get there. And once you get there, you're going to have time to get your coffee, your water, your planner for the day, sit down at your desk, set your desk up, look and see what the week has to hold for you. Look at that control journal and see what it is you need to do today, tomorrow, this week, and this month. This is a brand new month. So I know you'll do well, and I'm excited for you on this new monthly journey for October. Now, for what we're doing at home, let's take a peek and look at our at-home Fly Babies. Today at Home Fly Babies, we're going to be doing, of course, our laundry and our paper routine. And then after that, today is we're in zone 1, but before that, our basic weekly plan today is our weekly home blessing hour. I know how much you love it, I do, but really, go ahead and do it. Set your time and say, you know what, this hour is going to be for weekly home blessing. I'm not going to spend more than 10 minutes on any one thing. If I spend less than 10 minutes on that thing, I'm going to go to the next thing and spend 10 minutes. If I spend less than 10 minutes on that, I'm going to go to the next thing. If I'm not done at the end of 10 minutes, it's too bad. Hands off, I'm going to the next thing. Okay? Got it? All right. When you're done, you're done. And you're going to look around and say, wow, that wasn't so bad. And it looks great. I'm so glad I did it. I don't have to do it anymore this whole week, right? Okay, now payroll Fly Babies, take a lesson from that. Do 10 minutes or less each day this week, and you won't have anything to do on Saturday, or maybe one little thing, okay? Or delegate 10 minutes to older children at home. 10 minutes, it's all it is, all right? And that's your weekly home blessing. Now, for everybody, we're in zone 1. That's the entryway. A super easy zone is the entryway in general. There's usually no clutter. If there is clutter, take the time, 15 minutes to declutter. If there's no clutter, then what we're going to do is approach your front door like you would if you were coming to visit you. Look and see what the front door looks like. Look at what it looks like if you have to press the doorbell. Are there cobwebs around it? Are dirty smudges around it? That's what we're going to clean. We're going to clean the doorbell. We're going to clean the front door. We're going to clean the jamb around the door to make sure the door jamb, to make sure that there, or whatever you call it, there aren't any cobwebs or icky things there. Shake the front porch, the front doormat, sweep the front porch or the sidewalks and/or the sidewalks. Maybe wash your wreath if you have one, or replace it. You know, now's the time to decorate in the zone. So this week, maybe think about some of those fall decorations you'd like to have outside, okay? All right, so if you're at work, think about those things. And then when you get home, take a few minutes to sweep the porch. Take a minute or two. It won't take long. Or delegate. Again, I love the delegation. When you work, delegating is an opportunity for you to share the household housekeeping with your family. What is housekeeping? Keeping the house, making it a wonderful place for everyone. And you know what? At Home Fly Babies, the same goes for you with older children. Everyone needs to know how to take care of the home, because this is our home, right? Okay. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful.